You tell me daughter this.
Yeah, man.
Zane?
Sure.
So anyway, if I see him on the farming good.
You would have take up one gardener work?
Yeah.
Because I know somebody always want people to go work for you.
I know I say, my father hire one new man to work and farm field. And I tell her, say, I like him, man, you know. Just talk.
What?
No, I know I said, oh, last night my dream see you. So we got a river and we did a swim. I'm dream say I'm my boyfriend.
Look, girl. You're not gonna make me lose the look of work your father give me here.
Why you not leave me alone? What, least what? Why you not leave me alone? Every time you see me, you bother me. I not tell you something don't like little boy.
Yeah, chat about little boy, when I said age.
Girl, man, little boy, lunch money done pass Sundays, then get it on.
Look, girl, stop following me up. Done with them something I know. Me respect my grey hair them, you know. And I look up in and I come make my future mash. You hear me tell you? And me, love freedom, me love road. You hear that? Me not deal with look up in. How much time I make me tell you that?
Okay, man, we don't have the work.
Wait, I mean by touch you. Touch your how? Why not? Wait. What do you mean him touch you? Touch your what? How?
Daddy, I went to walk past from the boat and he see me and he grabbed me and killed me.